Hey everyone, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. My name is Krish and I'm a third year medical student studying at the University of Nottingham. This channel will be about my life and medical school in general. In this video I'm going to show you my portable $800 budget desk setup for optimal productivity in medical school. All the products are linked in the description below, and where they aren't available, I've linked an alternative that I would recommend. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So, let's start with the most important part of the setup, the computer. Running this setup is my late 2013 13-inch Retina MacBook Pro. This laptop can be found on the used market for around £400 or $500 as of this video. Although it's not a very powerful laptop at all, I would highly recommend it to anyone in school or university and who is on a very tight budget. It's perfectly capable of running all my uni work and taking notes, as well as some light YouTube and Netflix. I prefer to use two screens for multitasking. This monitor is connected to my MacBook with a HDMI cable. This is great for productivity because I can have a lecture video recording up on the larger monitor and have my note-taking app of choice, OneNote, open on my laptop screen. I keep my monitor directly above my laptop screen because that lies in my line of sight and also makes it more comfortable to use the built-in keyboard and trackpad, which I'd much prefer over using a traditional mouse. This particular monitor is more than 5 years old. At the time, it was a cheap second-hand office monitor which I got for less than £100. This monitor is good because it has a sturdy stand which can easily be raised or lowered, so I can use it in various different desk setups and keep it above my laptop screen. It also has built-in speakers which are absolutely trash, so they're definitely not worth using. Most of the time, I just use my MacBook's built-in speakers which are decent enough. Sometimes it's nice to listen to some mellow music whilst studying. So for this, I would generally connect up my JBL Charge Bluetooth speakers. On the side, I have my 7th generation iPad. This iPad works really well as a portable computer for when I am in the hospital for placement. It's easy to carry and the Apple Pencil makes it really good for note taking. So that's pretty much it. This is the equipment I use to study for my medicine degree. I hope you found it useful, and remember to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.